Welcome to this tutorial on using the ASCAND 3D capture kit to scan small objects. First things first, let's talk about the standard ASCAND turntable. It has a diameter of 200 millimeters. To start scanning, set it to its slowest speed by tapping the middle button 3 times. Place your object on the turntable and record a scan video as shown in the videos that cover that topic. Got something very small to scan? No problem. For those tiny treasures, we've got the macro table, also known as the mini. This nifty little turntable is only 90 millimeters in diameter and sits on top of the standard turntable using an adapter. The macro table boosts the resolution of your 3D models. It comes with a smaller version of the magic sleeve and its ring. The best part? All its 3D printable components are available for free download on our website. Place your small object on the macro table. Don't forget to set your phone's zoom to 2x to maximize the resolution. Make sure the entire macro table is visible in your scan video. Adjust the zoom or reposition your phone if needed. Now, follow the usual procedure for vision or laser scans. It is important to make sure that you select macro or mini as your ASCAND model when uploading the 3D scan video to your account for processing. Just like that, you'll have a high-resolution 3D model of your small object. And that's it. Simple, right? We hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. We can't wait to see what you create. Share your scans and projects with us and stay tuned for more fun and informative videos. Until next time, happy making!